everyone, my name is Florabel Magdadaro. In this video, we discuss the difference between a router and Ethernet hub.
At the end of this video lesson, the students are expected to define the basic functions of a router and an Ethernet hub, recognize the importance of understanding network devices for effective network management, follow step-by-step instruction to configure basic settings on a router. What's really the difference between the two? Let's start with the router. A router is a device that connects two or more packet switch networks or sub-networks. It serves two primary functions: monitoring traffic between these networks by forwarding data packets to their intended IP addresses, and allowing multiple devices to use the same internet connection. Let's look at the Ethernet hub. An Ethernet hub connects multiple devices together on a single network segment. It works at the physical layer to broadcast any incoming data to all connected ports. Now, this is the router and Ethernet hub. We also have the UTP cable, or also known as unshielded twisted pair cable. Cable is a common way to connect devices in a wired network. It uses RJ45 connectors, which you'll find on both routers and hubs. These cables carry data signals between the devices. The router's job was to connect this local network to other networks like the internet. It routed data between these different networks, so the hub handles local connections and the router handles connections to wider networks. You could connect multiple computers to a hub using UTP cables. The hub would then connect to a router also with a UTP cables. In other words, the hub acts as a central point broadcasting data to all connected devices. To give you a clear understanding, let me show you the actual demonstration how router and Ethernet hub work together. Now, take one end of your UTP cable and insert the RJ45 connectors into an available Ethernet port on your router. These ports are typically labeled LAN or Ethernet. The UTP cables serves as the pathway allowing the router to transmit data as electrical signals to the Ethernet hub, which subsequently distributes it to the appropriate devices on the network. Now, let's connect the Ethernet hub to other devices like computer and laptop. Take one end of your UTP cable, which has an RJ45 connectors, and insert it into an available Ethernet port on the hub. These ports are usually numbered or labeled. Repeat this process for your PC, connecting other UTP cable from an available port on the hub to the PC Ethernet ports. Next, take the other end of the UTP cable and insert the RJ45 connectors into the Ethernet port on your laptop. Most modern laptops have a built-in Ethernet port. If your laptop lacks one, you may need a USB to Ethernet adapter. And that's it. You've successfully connected a router to an Ethernet hub and Ethernet hub to other devices using a UTP cable and RJ45 connector. I hope this video will help you understand the difference between a router and Ethernet hub. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.